Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, today I want to make a whitening face cream or glossy whitening face cream. Let me correct myself. So the ingredients we would need these are the ingredients we'll actually need. But then again, we'll be using Aboni snow yogurt. The reason why I'll be actually using Aboni snow yogurt is, you know, people watching this channel are not kids. We all know you guys are not kids. And most times we use bleaching products here. We use chemical products. We use industrial products. Though these are not bleaching products, they do not contain clobetasol and tough chemicals. But they are creams that can actually whiten you. So people who actually want to fade off blemishes on their faces, a bit of pimples here and there, this cream can actually do it for you. And the reason why we're using snow yogurt is, most people in this channel have actually gone through the phase of using creams, and they're probably having freckles and stuffs on their. I won't say stuffs because we're not supposed to use that word. It's wrong. We should be precise about a particular word. Well, they're actually having wrinkles and all that. So snow yogurt is actually the best choice because it helps in wrinkles and anti-aging. It helps with all of that. And if you want to use Aboni for kids, you should use Aboni with nano glutathione. This is nano white gluta. All right, and it's snow yogurt. It's actually very good for aging women. Though I've not said aging, but at the same time, honey, why not age gracefully? So what we'd need is I have my spoon. Sorry, I'm being a bit too forward. I'm kneeling down where I am, and it's so stressful. Sorry about that. So I have my spoon. I couldn't find my tablespoon, which is 15 ml. This was what I could find. I could find half of my tablespoon, which is 7.5 ml. So we'll just use that in measuring our cream. This is our base cream. So we'll actually need 50 ml of our base cream. That is what we're going to be using. We're going to use 50 ml of the base cream. So this is 7.5. Sorry about that. This is 7.5. That's 7.5. Another 7.5. Sorry, I can't see anything I'm doing. I just hope I'm doing it well. Okay, another 7.5. That's 15 ml. Okay, so this is 30 ml. This is 45 ml. Hope you guys are actually counting. Hope I'm not wrong with my counting. So this is 5 ml. Let me bring it closer so you guys get to see my 5 ml. You guys get to see it's 5 ml. So you see Mickey is doing fabu. She's not telling us the right ingredients. All right, this is 45 plus 5. That makes it 50 ml. So we're done with that. Now our cream is la la la. We need la la la. Actually la 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 lightens the skin, so that's why we're using la la. Most people use la 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 as their normal face cream, and they like the cream, but I actually have a sensitive skin, so I dare not use la 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 for a long period. Hence, I will have burn on my face, so I don't want to risk that. You can see it's sealed, so I'm gonna open it. You guys get to see it. Now, while scooping cream from your container, be careful not to use your hand to scoop it when you're done. You know what I mean? Some people use their hand to scrape out the cream. Only you don't need that. The reason why you don't need that is because it causes a darkness around that area. You can see I scoop out creams. You can see it causes darkness around that area. Compare it with the other cream. And hope you guys know I suffered knuckles at one point in time. So I ought to be careful about what I do, about the chemicals. And you should know, if you're mixing creams, we mix creams. So most times you wear your gloves. And now I didn't wear my gloves because I know some of you be like, what is she hiding? Why is she wearing her gloves? I know you subscribers of mine, so I just didn't wear the glove intentionally, just to show you guys there's nothing to hide. My knuckles are cleared, so I don't have any bit of knuckle. Okay, and so that's it. I'm not gonna use my hand to scoop that out. You can see it remaining a bit. I'm not gonna use my hand to scoop that out because I don't want to go through the phase of having, I know what I went through before I had to take it off, so I'm not going to go through that phase again. Okay. So, sorry. I shouldn't have used this, but I was just saying not to worry. Okay, we're going to use this. We're going to use all of our Perfect Face. You can see I'm using Perfect Face. Hope I brought it closer to your face. You guys can see it. I can't see the fairy. I can't see the screen. So, bear with me. Please bear with me. Yeah, I hope you know your perfect face should not be completely filled up. It should be probably a bit. You see, it shouldn't be completely filled up. So that's, shouldn't have it filled up our perfect face. Let me bring it closer so you guys get to see. Just be a little, so you don't end up damaging your skin. Okay, and we have our bleacher. So this is it. This is glutathione with vitamin C. You can see it. This is the one we're using. This is glutathione with vitamin C. Sealed. We're using 20 ml. We're not using everything. We're using 20 ml. Mind you, I have to mix this together. Oh my god, I'm so strained. Kneeling down and all that. Oh my god, I couldn't find a bigger table. Okay, and I just don't want to use the pressing table. So okay, here we're gonna use 20 ml of our cream. So what is actually needed is for us to use the bigger one, which is 50, like 7.5, two of it. Okay, one, this is 15. Now we need 5 ml. And voila, we close it back. Now I know some of you be like, why are we using 20 ml? Remember, this container is 60 ml. Okay, so we're slashing it into 3, we're demarcating it, so that's why we're using 60 ml. Now if you're actually making it for a large portion, you should actually make this 150 ml. Make your base cream 150 ml. You use the full length of the serum, and use 3 of la la la. Use 3 of your la la la. And for your perfect face, you could just use a full perfect face. If you notice, I didn't use the full perfect face, or you could use any anti-spot cream, any cream that removes dark spots. You could use that. But be careful not to use clobetasol, because I know some of you are like, let me use tube. No, you can actually use a quick clear. Yeah, that's a tip I'm giving you. So you can actually use quick clear or Escabel face cream, but Escabel face cream doesn't work for all skin because it's not for all skin. Same thing with quick clear, and that was why I used Perfect Face. Perfect Face whitens all face, you know, though it might not remove the spot at a go, but to whiten it, and with time it will fade it off. So this is how our face cream looks like. I'll bring it closer and I'll keep it so you guys get to see it. I'll bring it closer again. Why am I whispering? I don't know. So I'm bringing it closer so you guys get to see it. The cup is actually very deep, but then again, you see it. Okay, so this is our cream. I'll put it in the spoon so you guys get to see how it looks like. You know, it's not green, it's not white, it's just in between. All right, so this is our face cream, and you can actually use it on the face. So for you to know how good it is, this one you'll be like, wow. You need to be sure you can use it on your body. Yeah. Okay. All right. Lest I forget, you need to add your preservative. Well, this is my preservative in it, but the reason why I'm not adding my preservative is that I don't see the reason to add it. You know, this is gonna last me for just like a week, 2 weeks, you know, max 2 weeks. So if you want to add your preservative, you can add your preservative. For something like this, as small as this, you need just 1 teaspoon of preservative. Okay, don't add too much preservative, just 1 teaspoon of preservative. But then again, if you guys want to feel secure and want to be sure you can add your preservative, well, I'm gonna add it so you guys get to feel safe. You can add your preservative. You know, if you're selling to a large group of people, that is when you need to add your preservative. That was why I felt it wasn't really necessary to add your preservative, but if you're using it alone, there's no need to add your preservative. So you have to let it blend. Okay. I still have to mix this thing later because I'm standing here, I'm straining, I'm not really seeing anything. So all the same, this is the cream. This is how it looks like. So hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. And stay tuned. On Tuesday, I'm gonna make a video on base cream. You know, base cream that contains cetyl alcohol, lactic acid, wax. You understand? Bye guys.